Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FigJam for whiteboards, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with FigJam, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the FigJam URL. Press enter to navigate to the FigJam homepage. Once the page has loaded, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see a prompt asking for your credentials. If you already have a FigJam account, enter your email address associated with the account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the verification code to complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the FigJam dashboard. From here, you can create a new whiteboard or access existing ones. Explore the features and tools available to enhance your collaboration experience. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection and try again. For additional help, visit the FigJam Help Center linked on the website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.